Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get rid of hunchback. Like if you're having fat on this area of your back and you want slim and that flawless shoulders, then this video is especially for you guys. If you want to get rid of fat on your back of your neck and you want to flatten this area, then this video is for you guys. These 3 exercises will gonna help you a lot in getting that. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started.
So beauties, before going any further, let me show you my new Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation with vitamin C. Yes, Mamaearth sent me these beautiful foundations. I tried it on myself and I was so convinced that yes, I'm going to shoot this video for you guys. Can you see the packaging? It comes in a glass bottle with the pump on the top, which make it like so easier to use. The best thing is you can use this serum foundation on your daily basis because these foundations are very light on your skin. Trust me, it will gonna give you a new skin. Let me give you a swatch. Just watch it how beautifully it blends and gives me a totally new skin. This is like medium coverage. You can use it on your daily basis, to your office, to your college. This is like amazing thing. You can moisturize, you can just use your moisturizer, then apply this serum foundation because it has serum in it, so it gives you a beautiful dewy and glowy finish. Beauties, it comes in 9 unique shades which is suitable for Indian skin tone. It stays up to like 12 hours, gives you a glowy effect with vitamin C. How come no one can buy this? Trust me, just go and give it a shot to this product. This is amazing. Beauties, I'm going to share the link in my description box. Just go and check my description box and don't forget to use my code to get 20% extra discount.
Friends, let's get started. In our first exercise, what you have to do it like this. You have to join your hands like this. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30. So 30 counts you have to do this and take rest. Then you have to complete your 3 sets. 30 counts and 3 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 29 and 30. And then just relax. Beauties, doing this exercise, we're going to give you attention on this area, this shoulder area, and if you're having a fat around the back of your neck, this will gonna remove. Now our second exercise is this. You have to move your neck with your elbows like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 29 and 30, like this. Then just relax. Now we are going to complete our 3 sets. 30 counts and 3 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And beauties, you have to do it very gently. Just don't get that strain on your neck. Do it very gently and with a flow on you. Like this. Third and our last exercise is what you have to do. Take your hand behind like this and then 1, 2, 3. Look up, then look down. Look up, then look down. You have to do 30 counts in 3 sets, and doing this will gonna help you in removing this, and it will gonna also correct your body posture. It helps you in getting that straight and that correct thing. So beauties, just go and give it a try. Hope you have liked this video. If you have any recommendation, just comment it in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye bye, take care, love you so much.